A reduction in the number of properties being made available for sale has significantly impacted activity in the housing market in Wales, according to the latest Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors Residential Market Survey. Both buyers and sellers are sitting on their hands as the unpredictable Brexit question wears on. Surveyors point to uncertainty around Brexit as the key factor in the reduction in vendor instructions during September, which they say has caused a slowdown in the market in Wales as a whole. Overall, the picture in Wales appears better than for the UK as a whole. However, surveyors in Wales report that the average house prices are continuing to rise, albeit at a slower rate than in previous months. Welsh surveyors also remain optimistic about the short-term outlook than elsewhere. Looking 12 months ahead, chartered surveyors remain relatively upbeat regarding prices, with a net balance of 48% of Welsh chartered surveyors expecting prices to be higher in a year's time. In Cardiff, after a busy August, activity in September was relatively flat. First-time buyer properties and traditional three-bedroom semis are most in demand and shortest in supply. Indeed, a general shortage of listings appeared to be a key factor in the lower levels of activity. Principality Building Society have just released the third quarter of 2019 house price index for Wales, being upbeat, with Wales continuing to buck the trend seen across England as the average house price in Wales reached a record high of £191,006, with quarterly annual price growth up by just over 2%. Average house prices in Wales are approximately 40% lower than in England, which has an average house price of £305,000. There appears to be a strong demand for holiday homes and holiday lets. For example, the annual growth rate in Pembrokeshire is currently 9.6%, the second highest growth rate in Wales, with most value high properties in the area by Tenby. And in Cardiff, the annual growth rate is 3.8%, with an average quarterly year change of 4.4%. In the lettings market, the September results showed tenant demand increased, but landlord instructions remain in decline. Given the consistent imbalance between rising demand and falling supply, 38% of chartered surveyors expect to see rents rise higher over the next 3 months. This is Tony Felici at Kelvin Francis. Until our next housing market update.